wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Or, welcome back to school!
School again?
Yeah, welcome back to school
Oh
again!
no, it's back to school time and there's still so much to do.
Yeah, there's
Olivia,
a lot to do.
I was looking through our list that Mom gave us and it says we need pencils and paper and an eraser and a folder and... See? Hold on.
So much stuff.
Yeah, I need to show it to the kids.
Okay.
Can you read that, kids?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no! What are we
I
gonna do?
erased it. I pressed a button.
Oh no.
Oh no! Do you remember still what was on the list? Oh no!
I know there were pencils.
Yeah, there were pencils. Oh, give me pencils.
Okay, there's a pencil for you, and I
there's
have a
our
pencil
backpack.
here. Oh, do you want mine too to put in my backpack?
Yeah, I need one for you too.
Okay, here's the pencils.
So that's for me,
So,
and then this
pencils. Okay.
Yeah, this one's for you.
And
Okay, the pencils are in.
okay, and
Eraser.
oh, an eraser. Yeah, this one's eraser.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, eraser.
Do you have one for me as well?
Yep, here's a second eraser.
Okay.
Okay, so erasers.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't know. What about our funny name tags? Like this one says Super Helper, and this other one is let's see, what does this one say?
That one says keep it up.
Keep it up. Yeah. Do we think we need our funny name tags?
I don't think it was on the list, but we might as well take it just in
Yeah,
case.
I think they sound fun.
Okay.
Here you go.
I'll give you the red one, and I'll keep the blue one.
Thank you.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, it sounds
Okay.
great.
So this one goes into my backpack.
Great.
Okay.
Wow.
And then this one goes into your backpack.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm done.
And then I think paper.
Oh yeah,
Paper because we have to use something with the pencil.
That's construction paper. You think that's okay? I don't know if it was construction. I think it was just paper, but
I mean, construction paper is really just paper, right? So it's just.
Yeah, I guess so.
I don't know. I mean,
I
don't think it said any kind of paper.
Okay,
but construction paper is the only paper I have because I like colorful paper.
I'll just put it in there. Okay.
Okay, and then
I'm done.
What about Bunny? Do we need Bunny?
Oh, I would love to take Bunny.
Yeah,
Can I take Bunny?
Yeah, let's take Bunny. Okay, I'm gonna go.
But the thing is, I don't think it was on the list.
Do you think Mom forgot? Maybe Mom forgot to write down stuffed animals.
Oh, I don't think we're allowed to take stuffed animals to school. But I really want to take my stuffed animal.
But remember, Bonnie.
Yeah, Bonnie was allowed to take.
Yeah.
No, actually, she wasn't allowed to take a stuffed animal.
She wasn't?
No, remember?
Oh.
Woody secretly snuck into the backpack and then she created Forky.
Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe we'll build a craft at school.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so no stuffed animals.
I have some alphabet stickers.
No, I don't think so.
But they're the alphabet.
Yeah, but we're gonna learn the alphabet in school. I don't think you're allowed to take stickers along.
But what if when everyone's learning the alphabet, if I look at it and do the alphabet, I'll know it better.
No, you're cheating then.
But
you should memorize your alphabet.
But it's definitely okay.
We can do the.
It'd be really fun though.
Do you want to once go through? Here, why don't I take the stickers?
Okay, you take the stickers.
Okay. And then.
Oh, do you need help? Here. There you go.
Thank you. So I'll take the stickers, and why don't we once go through the ABC song, and then you'll see that you don't need it, okay?
Okay, yeah.
So,
okay. I'm
One.
nervous for school. Okay. 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yeah!
Okay. Whew.
Okay, so we don't need the stickers.
Yeah, I don't need the stickers.
Okay,
Okay,
so why don't
no
you take the stickers back
Okay,
again and
okay.
put them away?
Yeah, I'll put them away.
Okay. So what else do we need? Oh, it's just too bad that I erased this all.
Yeah,
Maybe I should write a new to-do list.
Yeah, write a new to-do list.
I'll write a new to-do list.
What about Play-Doh?
No, I don't think we're allowed to take Play-Doh. But I'll write a new to-do list, okay?
To do.
Do.
Pencils.
Pen.
Yeah.
Pencils. Check.
Good.
Pencils, check. And then
Erasers. Check.
Check. And
And then paper.
paper. Check.
And no stickers.
No stickers.
No stuffed animals.
Oh, you know what?
What?
I know I'm gonna get hungry.
Oh, yeah. We
Are
should
our
bring.
lunch boxes prepared?
Let me see. Oh well, yours has an apple in it.
Ooh, that might be from last year.
Yeah.
That might be rotten.
That might be bad. It's green. It looks
well,
a little-
then at least we should clean these out, shouldn't we?
Yeah. Mine is empty already.
Yeah,
Mine,
yours looks clean.
Yeah.
So why don't
Okay.
I put that to the side so you know to put in lunch?
Yeah. We need to bring lunch.
Okay, and I need to clean up mine because that doesn't look so
That
good.
does not look healthy. Yeah.
Okay, so
Ooh, I think it smells.
what else do we need? So I'll write down lunch
Lunch.
boxes.
I would like to bring a jump rope.
No, I don't think that's allowed.
What if we bring one for recess?
No, I don't think that's allowed.
But what if I really want a jump rope?
No.
Do you think they have jump ropes there?
I'm sure they do. There's something that you can play with.
Okay. What about we could bring like a triangle and a rectangle and a square so we can remember our shapes.
No, I think they will have that there. Well, I think. I don't know. Maybe we should ask the kids.
What else, kids? What do you think we should bring?
Yeah, what should we bring? Can you let us know so we can be prepared since we or I
You can say we. It's okay.
I kind of deleted our list, so
Yeah.
oops.
Oopsie.
Maybe we should just ask Mom, you know?
Oh.
She won't be angry if I accidentally deleted it.
No, she won't be angry. Oh, I know. We definitely need our backpacks.
Oh yeah, the backpacks are here. Yeah.
Oh, and probably our jackets in case it's cold.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, maybe our rain boots in case it rains.
Yeah, but only on the days that we really, really need it.
Yeah, only on the days when it rains.
Maybe we can still. Maybe this is a good idea. Maybe we can go back to Mom and ask her what we're missing.
Yeah.
And maybe really, really be like, can we please take Bunny?
Oh.
And then maybe I can take Duke Kaboom.
Yeah, you can take Duke Kaboom, and maybe I could take Bo Peep instead.
Oh, then I want to take Woody.
Okay, maybe you'll take Woody, and I'll take Bo Peep. Oh, and then we could put in Rex, and maybe like Buzz, and
that might just be too much. Let's just ask for one toy.
But maybe if we took out this construction paper, then two would fit.
I don't think Mom will say yes to that.
Yeah, we probably need the construction paper.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take Bo.
I know. I remembered.
What you remembers?
It's folder. We need to get folders,
Ooh.
but I don't think we have that.
Let me look and see. No, we don't have any folders.
I think that's what we still need to get.
Yeah, we need folders still. Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
So that's the one item we need to get. So why don't we go to Mom with our new list?
Yeah.
And then she can make sure that we have everything.
Yeah. And we'll take the lunch boxes too so we can clean them.
Exactly.
Yeah,
That sounds good.
Okay. Oh, we should say goodbye to the kids, yeah?
Oh, right.
Okay. Kids,
Kids.
have fun getting all your school supplies together. I hope you got like a really pretty pencil and a good eraser that you like.
Yeah, and don't forget your paper and your folder, your
Yeah.
backpack, your lunch boxes. I think
Yeah,
that pretty
for
much
sure.
covers it all. If we forgot anything, let us know. But
Yeah.
I think those are all of the items you will need for back to school.
Yep, and let us know how your back to school shopping went.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
See you next
See you
time.
next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's quickly go.
Okay, let's go get Mom.
I really want to take Woody.
Yeah, I hope I get to take Bo.
Okay.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us!
and comment below.